you. To our beloved teacher, teaching has been always considered as a noble profession. No good teacher look for their own success and development. They always have their students, present and future in mind. When one chooses to be a teacher, it is understood that a number of qualities are embodied in that individual. A teacher is looked upon as a guide, a mentor, a friend, a selflessness, a bond of love and care. No matter how young or old a teacher is, they consider their students as their own children, like you. The influence of the teacher extends beyond the classroom. To the world, you may be just another teacher, but to us, you are our hero. We respect you for what you have been doing for all of us all through these years. We know we are not the best students, but you are the best teachers, just like you. What could ever ask for? Thank you for accepting us for who we are and for loving us so much. From the grade 9 students,